Hello, welcome back to Maths Aspects. It's your maths tutor. Remember, we give you details to make mathematics very fun for you. We are really sorry for a very long time you've seen us. Remember, we are back to make things go smoothly. We had a little challenge with our system and we need to correct things. We are back again. Now let's look at this. Don't forget to like, comment, and share with others. Let's look at this. Now, you remember this topic, right? Change of subjects, right? We've been given y to be equal to p, all in brackets, pr over m minus p square r, all to the exponent negative 2 over 3. Now, we've been asked to make r the subject and after that find the value of r when y is negative 8, m is 1, and then p is what? 3. Come along, let's go into it. So we have our solution. First of all, let's look at the expression. To make r the subject here, what do you think should be the first thing we do to make r the subject here? Okay, so the first thing we do is to get rid of this from this bracket. How do we get rid of this? It's very simple. Very simple. Now what we do is that we multiply both sides. Remember, this is a fraction. Okay, we multiply both sides by negative 3 over 2 to the exponent. We multiply both sides by the exponent of negative 3 over 2 to get rid of this. That is the first thing we do. So we have y to the exponent negative 3 over 2 is equal to, so we have pr over m p square r. So this negative 2 over 3 times negative 3 over 2. Remember, we are taking exponents. It's exponents and nothing else. So we know this 3 will go with this. These 2 will go with this. Right? Good. So we have y to the exponent negative 3 over 2. Now we will be getting pr over m minus p square r to the exponent 1. And of course, any number to the exponent 1 is the same number. Don't forget. Good. So what do we do next? What do we do next? Now, we already have this. Okay. So we know that this is the same as over 1. Okay. So we have y to the exponent negative 3 over 2 to be equal to, we have pr over m minus p square r over 1. Right? Good. So we need to move. We know this one is just there. Okay, so we need to multiply 2 by the fraction. This is the only thing that is having a fraction. This has no fraction. Over 1 is the same thing. Okay, so we multiply 2 by m. We multiply the whole thing by m. So we have m multiplying y to the exponent negative 3 over 2 is equal to, so we have m times pr over m, and we have negative p square r times m. Right? You can say this, right? We have m y to the exponent negative 3 over 2 here. Right? We know this, we'll cancel this. So we have pr, right, minus p square r m. Remember, we are making r the subject. So what do? We have r here, they've already grouped themselves. Okay, so we have m. So let me rewrite it. but we need to factorize r out. We factorize r out. So we have r out. We have r out. Then we have p here minus p square m is equal to m y to the exponent negative 3 over 2. Right? So we divide here by p minus p square m here over p minus p square m. So this will cancel this. Then we will have our r to be equal to my to the exponent negative 3 over 2 over p minus p square m. Now we are done with the first part of the question, which is the A. We are done with the A. Now the B says we should find the value of r when y is negative 8, m is 1, and then p is 3. So it's very simple, right? Let's go into that. So we have r to be equal to m is 1, y is negative 8. So we have negative 8 to the exponent negative 3 over 2 over, we have p to be 3. So we have 3 minus, this is 3 square times 1. Right? It's very simple. It's not difficult. Let's look at this. Now we have r to be equal to, so this is negative 8, right? To the exponent negative 3 over 2 over, so we have 3 minus 9. But negative 8 can equally be written as 2 to the exponent, sorry, negative 2 to the exponent 3. Negative 2 to the exponent 3 is the same as negative 8. So we said negative 8 is equal to negative 2 to the exponent 3. It's the same thing. There is no difference. Right? Good. So we have r to be equal to negative 2 to the exponent 3 times negative 3 over 2. This will give us negative 6 here. So this will give us negative 2 to the exponent negative 9 over 2 over negative 6. I want to write our answer in decimals, and this r will give us 0. Of course, this is negative, so it will cancel 0.0073. So if we are asked to find the value of r, this should be the value of r that we'll be getting. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Remember, we are back to give you all the details to make mathematics friendly. Thank you very much. We look out, or we're getting ready for our next update. It's just in the pipeline. We'll be back with something good.